roadies पे चले गए, which was a risk, but it paid off. And you know, I see a lot of people who want to be a part of Gang Neha, which makes me feel good. You know, itni calculated moves agar na ho na, I feel like those chances also sometimes they pay off and sometimes they don't.
But how easy or not easy has it been? Because it could be said that neither of you are typical templates of what an industry, any industry may expect you to be. You just don't have that personality, neither of you does, right? I'll start with you. I mean, it's not about, you know, your versatility, both of you, your versatility is there and everyone can see it. But in terms of everything else that's asked of you, you know, the fitting in, the PR machine, the PAPs, all of that, how tough has that been?
I think it's been very, very tough at every stage. In fact, I sometimes feel it was easier when I had nothing to lose, you know. When we were all sort of struggling in Bombay, didn't have any work. I used to share a flat with 4 other girls, and we sort of went through those days.
And did they all want to be actors?
You know, some were editors, some wanted to be actors, and 4 people legitimately lived in that house. When I opened my room on some days, everybody from FTI was in my living room because nobody had anywhere else to go. And I used to just do auditions every day. I used to stand in a long line and do really terrible makeup because I didn't know how to do makeup. And somebody would open a door and say, "Ki nahi, aap fit nahi hote." You know, and I did that for years. And I just can't imagine doing that again. It was just very, very hard, but we just...
I mean, Vijay Varma was here and he was saying exactly this line, that he would go through these auditions and people would just open a door for a nanosecond and say, no, you're not a good fit.
Yeah, yeah. And no, they don't do it like that. I'll tell you how it happens. They're like, हमको एक लंबा लड़का चाहिए जिसकी बुरी वो description, this color eyes, this color ये, this color वो. And then line से ना 300 लोग आएंगे और फिर एक बंदा एक कमरे से निकलेगा. The door is always below ceiling height. He'll duck and come out and you know whatever, लड़का लड़की जो भी. And first look at all of us and not fit, not fit, not fit, not fit, not fit, not fit. आप आ जाइए अंदर. By then you are standing 16th. It's happened to me. Somewhere I was like fit for this audition, but I was like मैंने तो सोचा 1 से 15 की टाइम आएगी. उतनी देर में मैंने लाइनें ही नहीं याद की. So I was like अभी ये बाहर निकलेगा बताएगा. So you don't know, and you know that's the thing, right? Like, and when you go there and you're not fit, one thing you need to have clear in your mind, and maybe age teaches you this, that this not fit means you're fitting in somewhere else. वो अपने आप में, अपने मन में, अपने दिल में ठान के रख लो, because that is the fit that's actually waiting for you. क्या पता, you know. Yeah. And it's really that. Like, you know, I'm as a person, even for me, like, you know, even roadies, to be connected in your mid-40s to an audience that's in their teens and their 20s, I mean, I'm so glad I made that move or I made that switch, because otherwise I would have lost that connect entirely. And maybe, you know, किसी film में मैं not fit थी, तो मुझे 2 महीने मिल गए और मुझे ये offer आ गया और ज़िंदगी में अलग सा बदलाव आ गया. And likewise for you also, I would imagine you've had these kind of experiences as well.
And I want to go back to that place where you said मुझे makeup करना नहीं आता था. Then what happened? Like, you actually thought in your mind that I can be an actor, I love doing this, but makeup nahi aata.
I mean, you know, in the Film Institute, you really are in a bubble. I had